am so excited to speak about something that is so close to my heart. I was 6 years old when my father discarded our television and gave it to our security guard. Now imagine a kid not getting to watch her favorite cartoons. And ever since then, I have never spent my time sitting in front of the screen and watching television. Now, trust me, at that time, it felt like a punishment. It felt like I was missing out on a lot of entertainment until 15th July 2022, 8:59 a.m., when a pink sheet of paper appeared on my laptop screen that changed my entire perspective about life and made everything worth it. Now, this pink sheet was nothing but my CA results. 5 years of sacrifice, perseverance, and dedication did give me a reputed CA degree, but took away something that was so very crucial that money could never buy. The corporate life affected my physical health and my mental health. And that was the time when I realized that how important it is for working professionals to prioritize their well-being if they really want to excel in their careers. Well, we'll talk about that later, but now let's come back to my story. So, I come from a typical Marwadi family where I have always seen my mother either working in the kitchen or attending guests. Even though I have a lot of respect and love for my mother, but somewhere I knew that this is not the life that I want to live for myself. Women are not just meant to be in the kitchen. Women are meant to run businesses. They are meant to run the world. But as I tell you that I come from a Marwadi family and somewhere business runs in our blood. But there was this one thing that was stopping me, that was holding me back to take that plunge. And this one thing was fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, and fear of the unknown. Now, what if I tell you that you have the power to overcome all your fears and live a life of your dreams? It is all about being brave, taking risks, and most importantly, betting on yourself. Most of the time, we always wait for people to trust us, to validate us, to tell us how good we are, and rather than we appreciating ourselves, we wait for people to do that. Now that was the time when I realized कि अगर लाइफ में कुछ बड़ा करना है ना, तो बड़े रिस्क लेने पड़ेंगे और बड़े एक्शंस लेने पड़ेंगे. And I have been so inspired by all the women who are into businesses, who are into entrepreneurship. So one day I sat down and I have a lot of habit of talking to myself because since I don't have a lot of friends, I try to keep myself busy. And I realized I wanted to create an impact, a meaningful impact rather. And I knew that the typical conventional CA job is not something that is meant for me. Though I have huge respect for people who do it, but somewhere that was not my interest. So now I had to figure out something else because I had to make money. And ever since I was a kid, I was very clear about three things. First thing is I want to become financially independent. Second thing is, I will never, never compromise on my ethics. And the third thing is, be a nice human being. Because no matter how successful you become, no matter how much money you make, at the end, if you're not a nice person, people won't like it, right? So, I started my fitness brand Profero, where we have corporate wellness programs, where we teach yoga, we have fitness courses, we have fun fitness challenges, and that is where my interest in fitness grew. Now, I want you to face your fears head on because I know that women are so capable. You need to give yourself more validation, start approving yourself, start validating yourself. This is something that I do personally. I think if I do this, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? What is the worst that can happen? And now once you prepare your mind for the worst, now you know कि इससे बुरा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. And then go for it. Without thinking, go for it. This is something that I have learned from Bhagavad Gita, and that is, कर्म करते जा फल की चिंता मत कर. पर अगर आप कर्म ही नहीं करोगे, अगर आप एक्शन ही नहीं लोगे, तो how will people know that you are so unique? If people ever tell me that you can't do this, I will do it twice, I will take pictures and post it on social media. So, it is just that simple. अगर कोई आपको बोल रहा है कि आप नहीं कर सकते, you don't have to argue. You don't have to get into a conversation or a debate telling or explaining your abilities. All you have to do is show it to the world. Be quiet, be alone, that's okay. But जब तक आप अपनी uniqueness नहीं बताओगे लोगों के सामने, how will they come to know? And as I mentioned earlier, that I didn't have a lot of friends because growing up, I was very introvert, very shy. And most of my friends in school were only talking about serials or, some big boss or something. But I never had that. So I used to have my lunch alone during recess. And I told myself this one thing, that अब अगर मेरे पास कोई दोस्त नहीं है ना, I will make my life so big that people come to me. So that is how I started focusing on more and more skills. I started learning them. Why did I choose the topic fit, fearless, and fabulous women? Because I feel that when a woman is fit, fearless, and fabulous, that is the time when she is truly unstoppable. Now the question is, yeah, you can clap if you want. Thank you. Now the question is, what is stopping us? So I remember I was in 9th grade, sitting in an assembly hall, and my English teacher, out of nowhere, or maybe she caught me talking to my best friend, she took my name in front of everyone, and she told me to come on the stage. I was nervous, I didn't know what she's going to make me do. And out of nowhere, she told me to speak about time management. Now, when I started with a lot of confidence, with full energy, but after a few minutes, I was out of words. I didn't know what to say. I felt embarrassed. I came back home. I told my mother everything. She sat me down and told me this one thing that has stayed with me till date, and I still practice it even today. She told me a very beautiful thing. She said, fear is a choice. You were fearful because you chose to be fearful. Now, everyone, no matter how difficult the situation is, We always have a choice to our reaction. If we get scared, maybe we sometimes feel that we are not enough. So always remember that fear is a choice, and if you decide to be fearful, you will feel that feeling more. If you decide to be fearless, that is how it will multiply. I was in third grade when my father first brought this movie. That was the only movie I feel that I've watched with my family, and that is The Secret. And he told me this one thing, that if you are scared कि outcome क्या होगा, what the results will be, just visualize yourself doing it. Most of the times क्या होता है, हम खुद ही माइंड में हार जाते हैं. हिंदी में एक कहावत है कि मन के हारे हार और मन के जीते जीत. According to Oxford Dictionary, fear is an unpleasant emotion, maybe because of the possibility of threat, pain, or danger. But let me tell you, through my experience, I can bet you on this that it is just in the mind. So if you somehow try to convince yourself कि आप कर लोगे यार, then trust me, you go for it और आप definitely कर लोगे. And if you haven't tried it yet, anything that you're scared of, think of something that you're scared of. It could be anything, not your boss, okay? But anything that you really want to overcome. Now, think about what is the worst that can happen. Now, once you prepare for the worst, now your mind is ready. Now, see yourself, visualize yourself doing that. Okay, can you all close our eyes? I really want you to do it with full sincerity. Visualize yourself going for it, taking that plunge, betting on yourself, and telling yourself, मैं कर लूंगी यार. मैं नहीं तो और कौन करेगा? I can do it. Face your fears head on, and that will make you unstoppable. You can open your eyes. So what happens when we are fearful? We miss out on so many incredible opportunities, and at the end, we only end up regretting the choices that we didn't take, that we could have taken. शायद कर लिया होता तो. Most of the females, we tend to overthink so much. What if ऐसा हो गया तो, what if वैसा हो गया तो, what if ये इसने ये बोल दिया तो, what if इसको अच्छा नहीं लगा तो. And वो mind में हम एक story create कर देते हैं that stops us from doing something incredible. But once you get out of your fears, you have no idea your life can become so magical. So that was the first part, that is overcoming your fears. Now, coming to the second and the most exciting part is how to be fabulous. We all want to be fabulous, right? Who are the ones who want to be fabulous? Okay. Now raise your hand straight. What stopped you from giving 100% in the first attempt? So, whenever you decide to do something, just make sure that you do it with a lot of confidence. And that is the number one thing that I have learned through my journey, and that is life में जो भी कर रहे हो ना, खुद पे विश्वास रखो, खुद पे confidence रखो. Nobody in this world is going to come and change your life. Sometimes I even feel that there are so many battles. As women, we go through so many things that we can't even talk about. And most of the times, we have to deal it ourselves. But you have no idea how strong you are. Once you somehow convince yourself, then nothing can stop you. I want you to aim high. I really want you to aim so high that nobody can tell you what you cannot do. So I have this one very simple rule that I follow. Life में जो भी करना है ना, अपना 100% देना है. Because I did not clear CA in my first attempt, I cleared in my second attempt. And that somehow that failure taught me that I failed because I did not give my 100%. But once you decide to give your 100% in anything, if you're working, just focus on your work. If you're here, just be here. Don't think what's for lunch. So, okay, this shows how many of y'all are hungry. जब आप अपना 100% देना स्टार्ट कर देते हो ना, then trust me, आपके लिए results 100% ही रहते हैं. How do you think females become so great? It is because whatever they do, they give their best to it. और एक बार जब आप अपना बेस्ट देना स्टार्ट कर देते हो ना, then your life changes magically. So if you really want to become fabulous, first thing is aim so high. Second thing is be super confident. Third thing is, I mentioned this earlier, and that was start validating yourself more often. Don't ever wait for people to come and tell you, ये करो, आप इसमें अच्छे हो. Say to yourself every morning. The next thing is embrace your own uniqueness. Now, we all are so unique in our own way. And the most beautiful part about being unique is there is nobody, absolutely nobody like you. Though we all have our own shares of struggles or weaknesses, I would say, but if you truly start validating yourself, and if you truly start accepting your flaws, then that is the time when you become unique, you become different, and you become, most importantly, fabulous. So are we ready to become fabulous? Yes? Oh, awesome. The last point of, being fabulous is, and one thing that I feel most of the women lack, and that is start saying good things to yourself about yourself. Be kind to yourself. If you are not kind to yourself, you can never be kind to others. मेरे को एक बात बताओ, एक जो say for example I have a pot, imagine a brown pot. अगर वो मटका खुद भरा हुआ नहीं है, वो दूसरों की प्यास कैसे बुझा सकता है, right? So only once you truly feel content with yourself, once you are kind to yourself, that is when आप दूसरों को खुश रख सकते हो. We all want love, right? We all want कि लोग हमसे प्यार करें, लोग हमको अच्छी बातें कहे. But कितनी बार genuinely बताना, कितनी बार आपने अपने आप को appreciate किया? Once you start saying good things to yourself about yourself, that is when you become fabulous. So now coming back to my story, how did I switch from a career in CA, Chartered Accountancy, to fitness, to being a wellness coach? So this one incident changed my entire perspective about health, and that is few years ago, my mother had met with an accident and she was advised by the doctors to go for complete bed rest. Now, since we were too young, we were almost babies, she was scared because as mothers, they want to be with their child, they want to spend time with their children, but she was advised to be on bed. And my mother got really very scared. She started consulting doctors, and again people told her to take rest. But there was this one person that advised her to start practicing yoga. And that is what she did. So I started accompanying her to her yoga classes, and that is how I started my yoga journey. Now, it was during COVID that I started creating content around yoga. I felt that that was the time, COVID was the time when people actually realized the importance of a healthy mind and a healthy body. So I started creating content around it. The only idea was to make yoga look unique, to make yoga look interesting, because most of the people perceive it as slow, boring, only for flexible people or only for elderly people. But trust me, yoga is magical. Now, while creating content, one of my picture reached Hrithik Roshan, and he reposted it on his Instagram, and that was a very magical picture. Like if you see, you can check it out again on my social media. But that was a magical yoga pictures, and somehow once I got that validation, I realized that I want to do more of it. It is something that interests me. I started teaching yoga during COVID. So that is how I started my yoga journey. Yoga has actually changed my life so much. And this is not because I am a yoga trainer and I need to promote it, but don't do it. Do it because you want to feel that change. Don't do it because I am telling you कि घर जाओ, yoga करो, meditation करो, शांत अकेले बैठो. Don't do it. Do it because you really want to feel the magic of yoga. Do some kind of exercise, do some kind of warm up. I also have a segment where I will make you do a very short meditation, very interesting, trust me. But do it for the pleasure of peace. Don't do it because people are telling you. Once you see that change, you will get addicted to that change. You will be like, मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं start किया? And not just yoga, any kind of physical workout, any kind of physical activity. Now be very honest, okay? कितने लोग एक्चुअल में वर्कआउट करते हैं? रेज हैंड्स. ऑसम. ओके, एंड कितने लोग नहीं करते? ओ, मेजॉरिटी. नाउ आई वोंट से मेजॉरिटी विंस बिकॉज इसमें मेजॉरिटी लूजेस. आई वांट टू नो द रीजन. जिन्होंने भी हाथ खड़ा किया कि नहीं करते, व्हाट इज द रीजन? टाइम नहीं है, प्रायोरिटी नहीं है. ये जितने भी लोग बोल रहे हैं ना टाइम नहीं है, they all have time to scroll reels on Instagram. Magically, I don't know कैसे. I don't know, but मिल ही जाता है. They all have time कि अगर एक फ्रेंड का फोन आ गया तो 20-25 मिनट बात कर लेंगे, पूरी गॉसिप ले लेंगे ऑफिस की, पूरी यापिंग कर लेंगे, बट एक्सरसाइज और खुद पे फोकस करने का टाइम नहीं है. The point that I'm trying to say is, now let's get serious. Women who exercise at least 4 times a week have 30 to 50% less chances of getting breast cancer. We don't realize this at this young age. ठीक है, body चल रही है, we are able to move, we are able to eat anything, we are able to spend time with our friends. Once I realized that मुझे exercise क्यों करनी है, मुझे fitness में क्यों अपना career बनाना है, it is because first thing is, even when I'm 60 or 70, I want to be all jagged and all energetic. अभी आप कर लोगे, but you don't realize how it will affect your future life. And I really don't want कि जितने भी पैसे आप कमा रहे हो, आप पैसे कमा लो, but I don't want that money to go paying hospital bills. I'll tell you one simple thing. एक हेल्दी इंसान को बहुत सारी चीज़ें चाहिए. घर चाहिए, गाड़ी चाहिए, बंगला चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, जॉब प्रमोशन चाहिए. बट एक अनहेल्दी इंसान को सिर्फ एक चीज़ चाहिए, एंड दैट इज अ गुड हेल्थ. जब एक छोटी सी सर्दी भी हो जाती है, तब लगता है कि यार भगवान नाक ठीक कर दो, यार सर्दी हटा दो, या बुखार हो जाता है. वी डोंट प्रे, वी डोंट से दैट टाइम कि भगवान प्रमोशन कर दो, भगवान पैसे डबल कर दो. व्हाट डू वी से? वी से दैट प्लीज ठीक कर दो so that I can breathe properly, feel less cold, be healthy, live a normal life. Yes, have you experienced this at some point in our life? I understand you don't have time. I really understand. Reliance में आप हो, you are busy, but I'll tell you these 9 simple 9 to 1 rule, and अगर आपने इस 9 to 1 rule को apply कर लिया ना, then trust me, nobody can stop you from living a healthy life. So do you want to know that 9 to 1 Brahmastra? Yes? But before I tell you, I need a promise. देखो, मैं बता तो दूंगी, but I really want you to follow it. And 9 to 1 में से अगर आपने एक नंबर भी follow कर दिया ना, like for someone who is absolutely, who is living an unhealthy life, I will feel that I made a difference in your life. So, 9, 9,000 steps, 8 glasses of water, 7 hours of sleep, 6 minutes of mindful meditation, 5 any 5 fruits or vegetables in a day, 4 short breaks between long work hours. You have such a beautiful campus. I got to know that there's a lake, there's a temple. Just take a short break, 4 short breaks between work. क्या हो गया? ओह, काम खत्म करने के बाद, ओके? हाँ, पता चला कि मैं सिखा के गई एंड काम के टाइम सब चले गए मंदिर. 4 short breaks that will energize you. जब आप वापस काम करने आओगे, you will feel more energized. You will feel more pumped up to give your best. 3 healthy meals in a day. 2, most importantly, and that is 2 hours of gap between your bedtime and your dinner. And any one physical activity in a day. Whatever you like. Yoga, gym, Pilates, dancing, running, sports. If you like any sports, go for it. But any one physical activity in a day. And that was the 9-to-1 rule, or the 9-to-1 Brahmastra to live a healthy life. As I said earlier, that fear is a choice. Let me tell you that habit is also a choice. If you are not choosing good habits, you are choosing bad habits, even if you don't want it. अगर आप अच्छी आदतें अप्लाई करना शुरू नहीं कर दोगे ना, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि बुरी आदत कब लग जाएगी. And बुरी आदत does not always mean that, getting into smoking or drinking. In fact, I just read that sitting is a new smoking. पूरे टाइम बैठे रहते हैं. I have so many clients who have back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain. Firstly, everyone sit straight. You need to understand that how important your health and wellness is. CA में ना हमको एक, we are taught this one thing, and that is assets, this is this, liabilities, this is this. But do you really know what your true asset is? It is your own body. Because that is one place that you live since birth. जिंदगी भर आपको एक चीज के साथ रहता है, that is your body. लोगों को लगता है कि exercise is just about physical training, physical exercise, movement, but आप realize करोगे that it is also making you mentally strong. एक बार करके देखो, एक बार running पे जाना, and you will realize that maybe your mental health is way better and your physical health is maybe not. So do some kind of physical activity, and जब आप healthy रहते हो, you start being happy, you start spreading that joy. Because अगर बीमार रहोगे, no matter what beautiful vacation destination you go, what will you do there with an unhealthy body? I really want you to stay healthy, stay focused, stay mentally calm. And one thing that I live by, and that is, no matter whatever happens in the exterior world, if negative, never let it affect internally. Never react to it. अगर कोई चीज़, if you don't like anything, just try to stay away. But don't let it bother you. Don't let it affect you. Try to be as calm and as peaceful as possible. It takes time. It definitely takes time to, build that habit. But once you do it, trust me, your life will become so peaceful. Another very small aspect that I'll touch on, then I'll end my talk, and that is always eat your food like your medicine, or else you will have to eat your medicine like your food. treat your body like a temple. When we go to temples, we make sure that whatever flowers we are taking, whatever sweets we are taking, we make sure that they are so pure, so fresh, fresh flowers, fresh fruits. Now, whenever there's food around you, जब खाना आ जाता है सामने, why don't you treat the same way with your body? Once you start treating your body like a temple, you will never put anything. Now, I don't want to say food as, kachra or something, because I really respect food, but something which is junk, something which is unhealthy, something which is not going to give you energy. Stop putting that inside your body and start treating your body like a temple. So that brings me to the last point of this talk, and that is, you have no idea how strong you are, how capable you are, because as women, we are always sometimes, unintentionally burdened with so many responsibilities. We are expected to behave in a certain way. We are expected to take care of our house. We are expected to work better. You have no idea how many roles you are playing just being in this one body, and you're doing so incredible. So all that I'm trying to say is, please make sure that never ever underestimate yourself. Whatever you talk to your subconscious mind, that becomes your reality. Whatever you think is the person that you become. So if you think good about yourself, you're becoming better. If you think that you're not enough, that is what will multiply. As I leave, I just need 2 commitments from yourself. First thing is, commit to yourself that no matter how busy you are, what position you hold in your company, no matter how much money you make, at least 10 minutes a day you are going to spend on any kind of mindful activity. Now, when I say mindful, it could be meditation, it could be yoga, it could be just focusing on your breath, or maybe doing some light movement, doing some neck stretches, anything. Just 10 minutes. And the rule is, you are not going to skip 2 days in a row. Can I have that commitment? Yes. Paka? Yes. The second thing is, I am on this mission to make people healthy, to help people lead a better life, to help people live a more fulfilling life. And all I need, one thing is, I really need your blessings. I hope that whatever I do, I accomplish my mission, because I have a long way to go. And if there is anything that you learned in today's session, I really want you to bless me so that I could, impact more lives. And there's this one last thing that I will say before leaving, and that I feel that every woman in this room needs it. And that is one quote that I really live by. जब जिद्दी होगा दिल, जरूर मिलेगी मंजिल. लाइफ में किसी चीज के पीछे जब आप पड़ जाते हो ना, अड़ जाते हो ना, then trust me, nobody can stop you. So as I say, जब जिद्दी होगा दिल, you have to say, जरूर मिलेगी मंजिल. Ready? Full energy? Awesome. Hi guys, so I'm here at Reliance Jio. How was the session? Did you guys like it? Okay, what did we learn? जब जिद्दी होगा दिल, जब जिद्दी होगा दिल, जब जिद्दी होगा दिल. Thank you so much everyone. This was Surbi Gandhi signing off.